I care about biochar because biochar is really useful for soil health.
Biochar is our best friend.
My vision is to get rid of slash and burn agriculture.
Maximize the efficiency of the productions of the farmers.
Biochar is important because of its versatility.
Making biochar will actually cool the climate.
I care about biochar because it's related to our life.
Bios in Latin is mean life, and char is a charcoal. It's the biology and charcoal and makes new lives under our feet. That's why I do care about.
We're here at the Biochar Academy to train the next sort of emerging generation of biochar professionals. We're hoping to equip everybody with the ability to become biochar advocates, biochar educators, and strong biochar practitioners.
Here at ECHO, we work with many different agricultural tools and technologies and practices, and biochar is one of those tools that we use. We use it in soil amendment, water filtration, and we play the role of training the trainer.
I think learning by doing is very important, that we keep knowledge in the class and then we have the hands-on activities on the field.
I think definitely we always do not know what we don't know. So I'm expecting to learn about different innovations about biochar and also in improving our biochar system in the Philippines.
This workshop, I think I get a knowledge back to Laos. Where we start the biochar in Laos. Yeah.
Oh, I have learned a lot. It's quite interesting, and I especially quite like the hands-on activities.
This week will be very effective for me, further sharing back to my community.
We decided to be a sponsor, to be able to share our experience to the community. We believe that biochar needs to be largely diffused on shares.
Biochar is absolutely growing in Southeast Asia. There's about 15 countries here already involved, and I can see that there's such an energy and enthusiasm for biochar across the region. It's super exciting.
We have folks coming from carbon markets, from agriculture, from industrial production, right? So we have consultants and engineers and farmers all in a room together, sharing their knowledge about biochar, sharing what they hope for the future of biochar, and kind of collectively envisioning what the biochar industry can be for the future to solve some of the greatest environmental challenges of our time.
I learned so much things, especially on the carbon market, and especially on the biochar, and also the production for artisanal and also the industrial one. I learned so many things here.
If you news about biochar, like very new, go to the IBI and start from there.